Hello students, today we see the examples of the exercise 5.1. We have already seen the addition of vector, that is the triangular law. Now we see the examples on the addition of the vectors. The vector A bar is directed due north and magnitude of vector A bar it is 24. The vector B bar is directed due west and magnitude of vector B bar it is 7. Find magnitude of vector A bar plus B bar. Now here given that the vector A bar directed due to north, that is the direction of vector A bar, it is the north. Here we know that the directions, here it is the north, south, it is east and it is west. Okay, here the vector A bar directed to the north, that is the vector A bar, it is a given. It is vector A bar directed toward the north and the vector B bar is west. It is vector B bar. Here given the vector B bar it is. Now we find the addition of these two vectors. Here given that the magnitude of the vectors. Okay. Now we find the addition of these two vectors. Okay. Addition. Okay. Here these are the two free vectors. Free vectors means the vector can be shifted anywhere without changing its direction and its magnitude. Now here we change these two vectors. Here A bar shifted, it is a A bar, and B bar is shifted to this, it is B bar. Okay. Now here we know that it is direction of A bar it is a north and direction of B bar it is a west. Therefore the vectors A bar and B bar are the perpendicular. It is a perpendicular. Okay. It is a direction. Now we find the addition of these two vectors, that is A bar and B bar. Now it is a bar plus B bar. A bar plus B bar. It is a by triangular addition. It is A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar by triangular addition. It is the addition. Okay. Here given that magnitude of vector A bar is equal to 24 and magnitude of vector B bar it is 7. Okay. Now direction of A bar and direction of B bar, then from figure it is by addition of triangular law, it is A bar plus B bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. It is the addition. Then triangle ABC, it is triangle is a right angle triangle. Okay. Here we can, it is A, B and C, not specified the point. Now here vector A bar and vector B bar are the perpendicular. Therefore the triangle it is a right angle triangle. Therefore it is a diagonal. Addition of these two vectors it is a diagonal. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem we can write here magnitude of A bar plus B bar whole square is equal to magnitude of A bar square plus magnitude of B bar square. Okay, we find here just magnitude of A bar plus B bar, and then it is 24 square is magnitude of A bar plus 7 square. Now it is 576 and plus 49. Now magnitude of A bar plus B bar whole square is equal to, it is 5, okay, then it is 2, and it is 6, okay, and therefore the magnitude of A bar plus B bar is equal to 25 units. Okay, here A bar and B bar are any two vectors with magnitude and direction. Okay, then the terminal point of the vector A bar is the initial point of the vector B bar. Then we get the addition of just two vectors. Therefore, we shift these two vectors in that way. Okay, and we know that it is a north direction and it is west direction. Therefore, these two vectors are the perpendicular to each other. Therefore, this can be written as by Pythagoras theorem, and then directly we find the magnitude of the vector A bar plus B bar. Okay, now next example. Next, in triangle PQR, vector PQ is equal to 2A bar, vector QR is equal to 2B bar, and the midpoint of PR is M. Find following vectors. Find following vectors in terms of A bar and B bar, where it is first vector PR, second vector PM, and it is third vector QM. Okay, now here it is given the triangle PQR. Okay, it is triangle P, Q and R. It is given that PQ, vector PQ, it is 2A bar, vector QR, it is 2B bar, and midpoint of PR, it is a M. It is a PR, therefore midpoint of PR, it is M. Okay, here given in triangle PQR, vector PQ is equal to 2A bar, vector QR is equal to 2B bar, and M is midpoint of PR. Therefore, we can write here, it is a PR vector, M is a midpoint of vector PR. Therefore, this divide two equal parts, that is magnitude of PM and MR is same, and the direction of PM and MR is same. Therefore, we can write vector PM is equal to vector MR. Okay, are the given conditions. Okay, now we find the vector PR in terms of A and B. Okay, first we find the vector PR. Now vector PR, it is a vector PR. Okay, here in triangle PQR, in triangle PQR by triangular addition. Here we find the PR. Therefore, PQ plus QR is equal to PR. Okay, in triangle PQR, here vector PQ plus vector QR is equal to vector PR by triangular addition. Vector PQ plus QR is equal to PR. Okay, now PQ is given and QR is also given. Therefore, we can write 2A bar plus 2B bar is equal to PR. Okay, it is the first. PR is equal to, okay, PR is equal to 2A bar plus 2B bar. Okay, then second. What is the second? PM. It is a PM. Vector, we want to find the vector PM. It is PM. PM is a part of the triangle PQM. Okay, vector PM. It is a one side. PQM. Then in triangle PQM. Okay, we want to find the PM. PQM. Okay. Now we also know that it is PM. It is a half of PR because PM and MR are the same, and we know the PR. Okay, here now PR, okay, given PR is equal to twice of PM. Okay, that is PM is equal to half of PR, and PR is already, find the PR, it is 2A bar plus 2B bar, and therefore we can write PM is equal to A bar plus B bar. It is the PM in terms of A bar and B bar. It is PM is equal to A bar plus B bar. PR is, first two questions are solved. Then we find the QM. Now it is QM. Now here we consider this triangle PQ and M. Okay, PQM in triangle PQM, PQ plus QM is equal to PM. Okay, here for third, in triangle, okay, here first, then it is second, and it is third. Okay, in triangle PQM by triangular addition, vector PQ plus QM is equal to PM. Vector PQ plus QM is equal to PM, but we find the vector QM, therefore we can write QM is equal to PM minus vector PQ. Okay, and therefore PM is already known. It is PM, A bar plus B bar. Okay, minus PQ. PQ, it is a 2A bar, and that means it is minus A bar plus B bar. It is a QM. Okay, then find PR, PM and Q. It is PR. It is PM and it is QM. Okay, now we see next example. Example, it is ABCD. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC and DC is equal to 3AB. M is midpoint of DC. AP, so it is AB, vector AB is equal to P bar, vector BC is equal to Q bar. Then find in terms of P bar and Q bar. First vector AM, vector BD, vector MB and vector DA. Okay. Now here it is given that ABCD is a trapezium, means a quadrilateral whose one opposite pair is a parallel. Okay, here it is ABCD given. ABCD is a trapezium. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC and DC is equal to 3AB. Okay, now it is a trapezium. In a quadrilateral, one pair of opposite side is a parallel. A, B, C and D. Here AB and DC are the parallel. Okay, AB and DC are parallel. Now here it is AB, it is DC, and given DC is equal to 3 into AB, and also it is M is a midpoint of DC. Okay, here we can write here M. M is a midpoint of DC. Now here M is midpoint of DC. Therefore we can write DM is equal to MC, and here DC and AB are in the same direction. Here DC and AB are in the same direction. It is given condition. Therefore we can write vector DC is equal to 3 into vector AB. If vectors are equal, then their magnitude and direction are both are same. Magnitude and direction both are equal. Here direction of AB, direction of BC, and here DC is equal to 3 into AB. Okay, therefore here DC and 3 into AB, it is a magnitude same with scalar multiple. Therefore vector DC is equal to 3 into vector AB, and vector AB, it is a given, it is a P bar, it is Q bar. Vector AB, it is a given, therefore 3 into P bar, it is a vector DC, 3 into P bar, and it is DM, vector DM is equal to vector MC, which is equal to half of vector DC. It is. Okay, here this can be written as in the form of, it is 1 by 2 DC. Okay, DM is equal to MC. M is the midpoint of DC. Then this can be written as, and it is DC is equal to 3P. Therefore DM or MC, it is 3P bar by 2. It is the value of DM MC, and it is DC is equal to 3P bar. It is a given. Okay, now we want to find first AM. Okay, it is AM. Okay, then it is a diagonal AC. Now first, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, here AC is equal to AB plus BC. AC is equal to AB plus BC is equal to AC, and therefore AC is equal to P bar plus Q bar. It is the AC. Okay. Now, but we find the AM. AM. It is the AM. Therefore, in triangle AMC, AMC, AM plus MC is equal to AC. Okay. Here, in triangle AMC. Okay. Vector AM plus vector MC is equal to vector AC. Vector AM plus vector MC is equal to vector AC. We want to find the vector AM. Therefore, vector AM is equal to vector AC minus vector MC, and then it is vector AC is equal to P bar plus Q bar. Vector AC, P bar plus Q bar, and it is minus vector MC. It is vector MC is equal to 3 P bar upon 2. Okay, now calculate. Okay, it is P bar, it is 3 P bar upon 2. 2 into P bar, it is 2 P bar minus 3. It is minus P bar upon 2 and plus Q bar as it is. Q as it is, adding, subtracting these two terms. P bar minus 3P upon 2. 2 into P bar, it is 2P bar. 2P bar minus 3P bar, it is minus P bar upon 2, and it is plus Q as it is. It is AM. Therefore, the value of AM, it is minus P bar upon 2. Okay, here we can write, therefore, AM, it is minus 1 by 2 P bar plus Q bar. It is the value of AM. Now, find the vector BD. Number 2. Okay, BD, it is a BD. Okay, here, in triangle BCD, in triangle BCD, here see carefully, in triangle BCD, BC plus CD is equal to BD. Okay. Here, BD is equal to BC plus CD. In triangle, here, BCD, BC plus CD is equal to BD. And then we know that the value of DC, here is a DC, it is DC. DC, it is a 3P, but it is a CD. Therefore, we can write here BC minus, it is a DC. CD, it is minus DC, and therefore vector BD is equal to BC. BC, it is a Q bar, and minus DC. DC, it is a 3P bar. 3P bar, it is a BD. Okay, that can be written as minus 3P bar plus Q bar in terms of P and Q. It is the second. Now third. What is the third? It is MB. Where is the MB? It is B and it is M. Okay. For this, we consider this triangle BCM. Okay. Now, in triangle BCM, okay, in triangle BCM, here BCM, BC and it is M, BC plus CM is equal to BM, BC plus CM is equal to BM. Therefore, it is, we want to find the MB. Okay. So here it is in that way. So we can, it is BM plus BC is equal to BC. Okay. BM plus BC. Okay. Anywhere it is direction, anywhere it is MB. We will find the MB. It is BC plus CM is equal to BM. Yeah. किंवा ट्रायंगल या डायरेक्शनने घ्या, ऑर्डर कोणती घ्या, या ऑर्डरनं घ्या किंवा या ऑर्डरनं घ्या, दोन्हीपैकी कोणत्याही ऑर्डरनं घेतलं तरी चालते. आपण काय करणार आता हिअर BC प्लस CM, BC प्लस CM इज इक्वल टू BM. देअरफॉर वी कॅन राईट BM इज इक्वल टू BC प्लस CM. ऑर्डर कोणती घ्या ट्रायंगुलर ॲडिशनसाठी, आपण हे घेतलेले BC प्लस CM इज इक्वल टू BM. ओके, नाव BC इट इज अ Q and it is CM, but we know that it is MC is equal to this, therefore CM is the opposite direction, that is a minus. BC minus it is MC, and therefore BC it is a Q minus MC it is a minus 3p bar upon 2, and that is it is 2q bar minus 3p bar upon 2, therefore it is BM. Okay, BM is equal to minus 3 by 2 p and plus q. Calculation carefully पहा. 2 separate केलं, 2q upon q, it is only q and it is this, but we want to find MB and it is a BM, therefore MB is equal to 3 by 2 p bar and minus it is q bar. Now last it is a fourth. Fourth we find the DA. DA it is DA or AD. We use the triangle ABD. It is A, B and it is D. In triangle ABD, okay, in triangle ABD, AB plus BD is equal to AD, therefore AD is equal to AB plus BD. Okay, AB it is a P bar, BD where is a BD, it is BD, BD it is a this, therefore AD is equal to P bar plus minus 3p bar plus q bar, and therefore AD is equal to minus 2p bar plus qp bar. Okay, it is the answer of these 4 questions. Okay, now okay, calculation carefully पहा. प्रत्येक याच्यात ट्रायंगुलर ॲडिशन यूज केलेली आहे. प्रॉब्लेम मोठा जरी वाटत असला ओके तरी एक्झाममध्ये हा पूर्णच्या पूर्ण नाही विचारत. एक्झाममध्ये या तिन्हीपैकी एखादा प्रॉब्लेम विचारतील, 2 मार्काला किंवा 3 मार्काला एखादा विचारतील. फाइंड ओनली AM और फाइंड ओनली BD, MB और DA कोणता तरी एक विचारतील. सगळेच्या सगळेच नाही विचारतील. सगळेच विचारलेत मग 4 मार्काला विचारतील. ओके, पण मे बी पॉसिबल इट इज आस्क एनी वन आउट ऑफ दिस 4. ओके, हियर सी केअरफुली. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. Next example. In a pentagon, A, B, C, D, E, show that AB plus AE plus BC plus DC plus ED is equal to 2AC. Here it is a pentagon. Okay, in a previous example we see in the hexagon. Okay, same example. Okay, we use here the triangular addition. Here it is a pentagon. A, B, C, D, and it is E. It is a pentagon. Now AB plus AE plus BC, okay, DC and ED, it is here. We have last answer in the form of AC. Okay, last answer in the form of AC. Okay, it is AC. Now here it is AB plus BC. Here AB and BC becomes AC. Last answer we have in the form of AC. Now in triangle ABC, AB plus BC is equal to AC. Okay, it is AC. Now then again here AE plus ED, AE plus ED is equal to DC. Now in triangle ADE, AE plus ED is equal to AD. It is AD. Okay, then okay, here both three, it is two conditions used in this. Okay, now LHS, it is AB plus AE plus BC plus DC plus ED. Okay, now here it is AB and BC, AB plus BC, okay, and AE plus ED, it is AE and AD plus AE plus ED, and plus remaining it is DC. Now here it is AC plus it is AD and plus DC. Again AD it is terminal point and DC it is the initial point. Therefore the vector AD and DC in triangle. Okay, now AC plus it is AC in triangle ADC, AD plus DC is equal to AC, and it is the last answer to AC. It is RHS. Okay, it is the proof. Here we use only the triangular addition. Okay, now next example.